on to another monster trucking good time. We have BeamNG, Monster Jam Steel Titans, and Monster Jam Crush It in this freestyle video. So we're starting off with Gravedigger. Oh, dude! Fire everywhere. It's like taking over the screen. There was some definitely acrobats. Look at the destruction right there. That was absolutely insane. All right, alien invasion, car jump arena. Look at that air. Like, bro, that is some serious air. About to go down. What do y'all want? Like, do we crash into the side? Do we crash into the pool? Do we just go off the rails and start somersaulting over? You tell us what you wanted. I know what I want to do. I'm going to crash to the side right here. Oh! Rejected! Run against the pole. You saw the notification. Subscribe. Turn on all notifications. Alright, we are gravediggering it up in the freestyle park. Oh, dude! That was a 3x front flip. They're not giving us enough credit. That was definitely 4, if not 5. We're gonna shred it up. There's another backflip off the back of the arena. We're totally gonna try to thrash Gravedigger, BeamNG style. We're just gonna go all out, like no care. Oh, a nice little barrel roll into another barrel roll, into another barrel roll. How many barrel rolls can we do? I mean, seriously, how many barrel rolls can we do? That was insane. We went barrel rolling from one jump to the other jump. All right, we're gonna reset the body real quick, the logo, before we thrash it again. We're gonna totally thrash Gravedigger again and again and again and again and again and again. You get the drift. All right, bro, that is some serious air right there. 89 feet in the air, 290 feet difference. Can you imagine if that was a real monster truck that went 83 feet up in the air? Oh, you see that little trick we did right there? We just did a little jump, landed on our back, hopped it forward. Oh, I see a loop-de-loop. I see a loop-de-loop. If you haven't seen our videos before, you know what we like to do with the loop-de-loop. We got to go off of it. Sick air. Sick air. All right, that was a new record. That was 300 feet distance. You can see right there, 89.6 feet as our highest height, and 4,500 points is our best trick. We will beat that. Oh, dude, freestyling it right off the side. That was pretty dope. 7,300. Yeah, that was definitely 7,300. All right, here's a disconnected loop-de-loop jump ramp. So we're gonna go off of this. Oh, that was clean. I was expecting more demolition, but you can see Gravedigger is kind of beat up. We got the door off. Oh, we got a little bit of a backway there. We were trying to stick it on the back. You can see we got parts of Gravedigger's body flailing in the wind right now. So we're gonna give you a little different view, a little slot left action as we come up to the epic jump right here. I wish I didn't have this hill right here. See that little hill? You lose some speed right there. Oh, that's a really slow backflip, but that was perfect. Absolutely landed that. All right. We broke the wheel of Gravedigger. We broke the wheel of Gravedigger. I told you we're gonna thrash these monster trucks. And we're not done yet. No, sir, we are not done yet. I don't know what I was doing right there. Crashing into the side of the ramp. Alright, more epic air. Yes, sir! That's how we roll. Alright. People, here's what you need to do right now. You saw the notification earlier. It said subscribe, turn on notification. So if you're watching right now, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing, turning on all notifications, adding us to your playlist so you can watch the video over and over again. Share it on your socials. Spread the word of BLB Gamer. And of course, we have 3 channels. Check out our other channels. We have BLB Adventures, which is our main channel. You know, that has video games, that has Monster Truck Toy Play, and then Real Monster Jam Trucks. And then BLB Adventures Family, which could be anything. It's us on video. It's the whole family. It could be Mom, it could be Luca, it could be Brayden, it could be myself. So, subscribe to all 3 channels if you haven't already. Smash the like button. Comment on the video. And enjoy future awesome videos of us, because between the 3 channels, we do 4 to 6 videos a week. I mean, it's a lot of content. We're constantly producing content for y'all to enjoy. Just us having fun with video games, Roblox, Nickelodeon kart racers, Hot Wheels Unleashed, whatever. All right, Gravedigger. Ooh! Oh, we just missed the plane. That was dope if we clipped the wing of the plane. Didn't quite get it. All right, we gotta refresh Gravedigger before we thrash it one last time. And right on top of the plane. And off the side of the wheel. And a little spin action. Yep. Jam, Crush It, NEA Police. So this is off the Doomsday family of vehicles. You have Alien Invasion, NEA Police, Doomsday. They're all basically the same monster truck. So yeah, we're gonna start it off with some nice backflip action, a little follow-up wheelie. Oh, crashing into the wall. Something cool is gonna happen, and it's gonna be really interesting in Monster Jam Crush It today. So pay attention to what is about to happen as we tear it up in freestyle. So a good freestyle run is usually over 5,000 points. Of course, there's that glitch in the game. Did you see that nice little crash off that car? Ooh! We were trying to do a stoppie in the middle of the air. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. No! We got wasted. No! Alright, we're gonna have to try this again. That was not a good first attempt, so we're gonna try this again right now. We didn't make it far enough in, so I said something crazy is gonna happen, and it's gonna happen during this run of freestyle. NEA Police! NEA Police! Let's rip it up, bro! Oh, nice little backflip, crashing on the cars. Getting some air. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what happened there. I like crashed on the car exploded and put me back up in the air. Ooh, nice little front flip right there. Let's see when the game glitches on us. We have 3,300 points. Sometimes you go down in points. Maybe it doesn't like your trip and it puts you down in points. Alright. 4,200. Oh no! I told you something crazy was gonna happen. Did you just see the wheel flip off? So now we're the 3-wheel bandit. We are the 3-wheel bandit. There's not much I can do. I'm missing my back tire. So I'm just gonna try to crash over these cars, salvage as much as I can. And we got bonus time. So we're on 3 wheels. How is it even possible to drive a monster truck? Oh, we just broke off. We only had 1 wheel left and Monster Jam Crush It. I told you something cool was gonna happen. Alright, Gravedigger going down this ramp. Oh, we're gonna go on the side of the rail. We're gonna go on the side of the rail. Oh, we're doing some gymnastics, bro. We're totally doing some gymnastics, bro. We broke off 3 of the 4 tires. We absolutely thrashed Gravedigger. Alright, Alien Invasion. So Alien Invasion, Doomsday, and NEA Police. They're all basically the same monster truck. They have the glow on the bottom. I love the cars. They're pretty awesome. Oh, we're going off the side. Oh, we totally clipped the light pole and then we crashed to the side. Holy smokes. We absolutely killed Alien Invasion. Doomsday said, whatever you can do, bro, I can do better. So I'm gonna go a little wonky. I'm going backwards. I'm going sideways. I'm doing cartwheels. I'm doing somersaults. I'm doing flips in the air. I mean, Doomsday is going crazy. I'm getting dizzy just watching this. Can you imagine being in the monster truck right now? I'm not even in a monster truck. So tell me if you think you would get dizzy with that many flips. Like, what would happen to you? Alright, Wonder Woman. What is Wonder Woman gonna do for an encore? Oh, big air off the jump. Big air off the jump. Whoa! I totally thought we were going crash mode. We're not going crash mode right now. We're going jump mode. We are still going jump mode off the track. Now we're going crash mode. Now we're totally going crash mode. There goes the ring off Wonder Woman. There goes the fire explosion. It's way back in the jump. There's parts everywhere. Holy smoke. That was like mind-blowing good. And then some smoke for the end of it. Alright. We had Doomsday and BeamNG. We had NEA Police and Monster Jam Crush It. You gotta go to Doomsday in Monster Jam Steel Titans Freestyle Park. I mean, you just gotta do it. So there goes the LED lights on the side. I told you about the glow sticks. And we are gonna totally thrash it up. Oh! That was pretty cool. I was just totally trying to just demolish the car into the side of the plane. But not only did we get demolished, but we got a trick. So yeah, I will definitely take that. Alright, drone view. We like the drone view. So we're gonna go drone view. We're like in a drone, following the monster truck, going down the course. It makes the driving a little harder because it's like gliding everywhere. So there's a lot of drifting. Oh man, insane air. Did we break our record? Yes sir, we did. We broke our record for height and we broke our record for distance. So we went 95 feet in the air and we traveled 400 feet away. We could do better than that, for sure. So watch, and if you want, take a guess right now. How far can we go? What is epic? Can we go 200 feet in the air? Can we go 300 feet in the air? Can we travel 1,000 feet? That is a challenge. How much air can we get? Because there definitely is a glitchy spot in this game where you could go do some epic air, and we will definitely show you that. So we're gonna go thrash it up right here. Oh, nice little back wheelie action. We're nice little air off the desert, off the sand dune right there. Yeah, we're gonna do something cool. We're gonna totally do something creative, crashing off this building right here. We're gonna crash creatively off this building right here. Boom! Dude, that was dope. That was totally dope. If you hit the buildings and it jumps at like weird angles, you'll definitely get something cool. Alright, here we go. Here we go. We are getting close to the glitchy area. Nice little jump off the dune. We're getting close to the ditchy area. Did you see that water? Did you see that water? Watch what happens when we go to the water. We are going to the water right now. Boom! Catapult! Look at the distance. Look at the height. I mean, that's insane. Let's see. We had 282 feet in the air, and we traveled 1,000 feet. I mean, that was awesome. So if you go to the out of bounds in Monster Jam Steel Titans, you definitely could get some super epic air. So the last thing we need to do now is, can we beat that 7300 combo? I want to take out that combo. Alright, 4x, 5x, 6x. Oh, not quite. We were trying to go after that combo right there. Didn't quite get there. We got 7,000. But we got a little bit more left in this Steel Titans freestyle, high-speed crash and thrash video. We are going to go off the side. Dude, we broke the wheel. Yes. So far, we've broken the wheel in every game. We broke the wheel in Doomsday. We broke the... I mean, this is Doomsday. We broke the wheels in Monster Jam Crush It. We broke the wheels in BeamNG. Of course we break the wheels in BeamNG. And we broke the wheels in Monster Jam Steel Titans. So we broke these monster trucks. We took them to the extreme. We served and represented Monster Jam right. Oh, more sick air. Dude, that is sick air right there. Power out. Nice little side wheelie. 4x. What do we get for that? What score do we get for that? Oh, 2,000? Yeah. We didn't have enough combos, that's why. But I was hoping with like just the super epic air, that'd been insane. Dude, there goes one of the bars. I mean, we absolutely thrashed Doomsday right there. He just destroyed Doomsday. We gotta go back in the plane. We gotta refresh the body because we're just to a shell of a monster truck right now. We're just at the roll cage left. All right, there we go. Get some little air off the plane. We have enough for one more trick. We could do one more trick for y'all. One more trick. Ooh! Dude, we crashed the plane! We crashed into a plane. I never knew you could crash those planes. So guess what? Guess what we gotta do? We're gonna crash these planes. Oh yeah. And we're gonna go to these mobile houses right here. Thrash those. Do a little trick. 10,000 points! We did it, folks! our score. That was pretty awesome. Alright, we're back with Monster Jam Crush It Now. Gravedigger, we got the rock music. We are ready to tear it up. So we are gonna freestyle it up. And once again, there's gonna be a little special surprise. So make sure you watch the freestyle. It gets a little crazy at the end.
Awesome.
Ooh, dude, I like totally did a grind right off the top of the wall. Nice little backflip over the jump. See that explosion? There's a reason for that explosion. Look at the front of my monster truck. I am missing a wheel. I am totally missing a wheel. Like, I had an epic jump. I flipped over the cars, but then the explosion exploded off my wheel. So now I can't get off the jumps. I'm like trying to go over the jumps. I can't get off the jumps anymore because my front axle's like digging into the dirt hill. So I'm like trying to finish off this freestyle. Well, guess what I could do? I could rip over and shred cars. Look at that, 6,000 points. I was at 4,000. Now we got bonus time. Now I got 30 more seconds of trying to drive around, rip up some cars. 6,700. Oh man, I'm stuck against I am totally stuck against the jump. Get me out of here. Get me out of here, bro. Look at that. I'm like leaning over. Oh my god, this is hard. Can you imagine driving around? So we're gonna wrap it up with some donuts. We got some sick dirt right there, but that was crazy. Wrap up another fun monster trucking episode. It's been great hanging out with everyone, doing some freestyle, doing some high-speed jumps, doing some high-speed crashes. We have Wonder Woman, that brilliant Monster Jam truck superhero, and we're gonna get a superhero-sized wreck right here. Look at this, right over the top of the pole. Boom! Slow it down. Tumbling, tires going everywhere. Absolutely demolished. There goes a pool. So, seen that in other videos, you do like jumps into the pool. That is hilarious. Throttled Wonder Woman. Alright, Gravedigger is going for it. Gravedigger is going for it. So, you see the sign. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. That is funny. That's not for us, it's for the person that made the mod, but I'm going to use it for us. Subscribe to our channel. Here goes Gravedigger. How high up can we go? We went about, it looks like 60 meters. Now we're going to crash out of there. And yeah, we throttled Gravedigger. Alright, Alien Invasion's like, I'm missing out on the fun. It is my turn. Dude, look at that air. Oh, yep, front axle went out. I saw it. So we are going gymnastics style. It's like, we are the U.S. gymnastics team just tumbling down. Cars on fire. There goes the windshield. There goes the body. I am trying to figure out how to drive it off the jump, but yeah, I don't think it's happening. It's definitely not happening. Alright, Doomsday is going to wrap up this video. We're backing up out of that one part of the mod, and we're going to go to a completely different part of the mod. So there goes the car jump arena. That was the back of the car jump arena. We're gonna go down the stairs. We are gonna go down the stairs right here. Look at that air, dude! Sick air. Oh, did you see how that tire is like bubble gum? It's just like stuck and it whiplashed down. So